My name is Arafat Jamera. Today I'm going to tell you about the tattoo of spider monkey by Circus in Peru. Animal Defenders International (AD) has released a heartwarming video of a spider monkey named Marucha, who was the last to be rescued from a circus in Peru. Marucha was recently released with her adopted family back into her rainforest home where she had been stolen many years ago. ADI Peru found Marucha tied to the top of a mototaxi in the Caribbean city of Lima in 2017. She was being forced to promote the circus, which was illegal at the time due to the country circus ban between 2014 and 2006. At that time, wildlife officials from ADI and Peru had already enforced the ban by seizing and relocating 100 animals. After passing her health check at 3 years old, ADI determined that Marucha was young enough to join the wild release rehabilitation program at Tarikaya Ecological Reservoir near Puerto Maldonado. There it became clear that young Marucha's psychological development had been damaged by her treatment in the circuit. She struggled to integrate why the other spider monkey and did not always eat on her own and instead waited to be fed. After a few obstinate baby spider monkey offered at Tarikaya that were in need of a foster mother, something amazing happened. Gentle Marucha started to care for and feed the baby. Her natural instinct kicked in. She also began to feed and care for herself. After years in rehabilitation, Marucha and her surrogate family here finally relocated to safe relocation, are being monitored by radio collars in the rainforest. Upon their release, a wide-eyed Marucha left her career, stood up straight, looked around, and then climbed a tree and began to swimming through the forest canopy. Spider monkeys are one of the most intelligent monkey species on Earth, using a wide range of to communicate. They express joy, pleasure, pain, fear, and distaste, and then social bonds are important to them, just like on they thrive together in family group in conflict. Scientists that can live up to 25 years in the wild. Although these animals communicate differently and do not look like us or live as we do, this video and Marucha's story show a difference of degree rather than kind, concluded Kramer, who noted that everyone benefits when humans respect animals.